Hey guys, it's Wednesday and market went down a little bit today. Did nothing much to my portfolio of swing trades actually. They did come down a little bit but nothing much because the indices is just basically pretty much sideways but down a little bit today. And that is maybe because not much news also happening this week. Let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are on my screen right now. You can see the indices after opening up, it shoot up, right? After that, it shoot down and shoot up and shoot down, right? So overall slightly down, right? Or almost, but now it's jumping back up again. So it's pretty wide swings, but basically going nowhere, right? Okay, pretty sideways. Wide swings, but pretty much tight range kind of thing, right? Even though it's wide swings. Why I say this is because you can see over here the S&P very small tiny bar over here. Even for NASDAQ is the same compared with the previous days right? And same thing for Dow Jones. Overall you can see quite mixed. Some of my stocks are up, some of them are down. Pretty balanced, right? I would say. And this is the reason why if you look at the my swing trades overall is still a running profit of about $100, right? Still about the same as yesterday, right? Nothing much has changed except for some went into more profits, some went into less profits, right? Okay, so they balance off each other. I do suspect based on the indices, right, it may continue to hover somewhere around this range for the remaining of the week because of the massive sharp up move. The up wave here, right, was quite strong for the past 1-2 weeks. So it might even take a breather and move slowly, right? But I do think that it will move slowly up instead of slowly down, right? Okay. But having said that, I do think it's only for the remaining few days of this week. I suspect next week onwards there may be another rally going up, right? Okay, so typically after a strong move it may take a breather and after that continue its move up, right? Just like what we see over here and over here as well. So Apple is still looking good, right? Only thing is BA came back down. People will ask me why not you take a profit here, right? You never know it will come down, right? Because a lot of times it may just hit the take profit and you cut yourself short of the bigger profits, right? So we normally do in terms of these, right? I'm only just looking at the profit signal and trading them. And following the profit signal as it goes, right? So over here, GE also, BAC also roughly at break even after moving up, right? GE is slightly up, but really moving quite slowly, right? Even JPM is down today. Even yesterday was the same. Good news is NVIDIA is still holding up quite pretty well. PFE is basically almost the same as yesterday, right? Okay, so very excited to see if PFE does just shoot up, right? Okay, pending trades that I'm looking at is maybe Visa and Amazon, right? For a trade down. I might reduce my risk in terms of trading it down depending on how the indices are moving, but it haven't triggered yet, so I'm eagerly waiting to update you maybe tomorrow or the day after or even next week when it triggers, right? Okay, so that's all for me. The performance today is pretty much the same as yesterday. Like I say, for the remaining of the week it could be the same as well, right? Okay, so stay tuned. Hope my insights about the markets do help you a little bit more in terms of trading your own portfolio. I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. See you soon.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.